testing out Tesla's new Smart Summon. So here's my car. It's parked. I am in a Presidio. I'm gonna walk all the way to the other side and do a Smart Summon. Alright guys, so I'm about 100 feet away from my car. I think you can see it in there in the distance. It's the white Tesla Model 3. I'm going to do Smart Summon. So, let's see, as you can see in the app, Smart Summon's here. I have a software update ready to download. I go home and do that. But let's see. Come to me. Oh, gotta hold the button. So that's pretty cool. You see the car moving. There's my car. Looks like it's reversing out okay. It's turning its wheel. It's coming towards me. You can see all the motion on. It's driving about 2-3 miles an hour down the parking lot. It's coming towards me. It's pretty slow. Oop, it's turning a little bit, so it's straightening out into the lane. It's coming towards me. I think it stopped. It paused for an intersection. Interesting. Well, that's pretty cool. So here it comes. Waiting for path to clear. It sees a crosswalk. I get to stop for the crosswalk. That's pretty neat. And then it's pulling over. Interesting. Cool. That's Smart Summon. So it did straighten in the lane, and it also stopped at the intersection, and then it also stopped at the crosswalk. That's pretty cool. That's Smart Summon.